Boop. No! A little shout out actually to a couple of subscribers who like all of our posts.
But my issue is, and I'm not being a Karen.
Go on, mate, fly. The beauty of this place is, although it's one location, now we're off again. Can't resist going out and starting the weekend on a Thursday. For those of you that don't know who we are DP Mini Adventures, and we live in Alicante, or Alicante region, and we're sort of practicing camper van life. We're not full time. We try and get out whenever we can, especially at the weekends. We normally start the weekend early if we can, and during the summer holidays mainly when the boys are off school. And we just stay local. We're not crazy travellers at the moment. I'm sure that'll come when Poppy gets total freedom from having a child. But for now, if you just want to follow our channel and you like the places we visit in Spain, don't forget to hit that bell icon and you'll get a notification every time we upload a video. Which I'm hoping is going to be a bit more regular now. Although it's bloody hard. Well, I don't know how these YouTubers do it every week. So I take my hat off to anyone that's posting every week or every 2 weeks. It's bloody brilliant. Wish I could do that.
I couldn't if I tried. Morning, campers. Afternoon, campers. We're on our way to Gran Alicante at this beautiful time of year. Oh, it's a lovely time of year. Yeah? Let's go camping. We're going up to Gran Alicante because we decided that why sit in your house when you can go camping? Oh, but first stop, Dialpree. Yeah. Beer. Second stop, Sotterins. Camping stove.
Dialpree, could I get a Kinder Joy, please? Dialpree, could I get a Kinder Joy, please?
No!
Another little spot at Gran Alicante. The beauty of this place, let me just show you behind. We're parked there. The beauty of this place is, although it's one location, every spot you park at is different. Like the other place we was at last week, that had a little mini beach. This place, although there's rocks, it's really shallow. And this time we're close, literally 5 minutes from a beach where we've just spent the best part of 20-30 minutes in the sea. If you've got children, I mean my son and Junior, they love searching in the rock pools for crabs and little bits and bobs. They spend hours down there playing, so if you've got kids, I mean it looks a little bit rough and a little bit unsafe, but actually it's not, it's so shallow. So yeah, Gran Alicante, there's so much to offer and it's free.
You're not ITV or BBC One?
Whatever you want.
Darren, don't, because I will break it.
Go.
That's me, because I can't hit it properly. Oh,
Yes, that was a good one.
oh.
Oh, this is tonight's entertainment. I'm looking at the sea, but the camera's still on Poppy. I don't really know why.
Oh, it's not. My legs
What a
are
little
moving.
beauty. Look, it's still paragliding. Fine.
What time?
8:30. 8:30. Still floating around. Nice.
Evening, campers. So this morning we set up the awning, which we've never had with the Pilosi. We never had an awning, so I wanted to go to a campsite. We booked a campsite and we planned on staying there just so we could put up the awning, and in the end we decided no, it'd be too hot. It was inland, it was in Murcia, and we decided, Joe, we just go to Gran Alicante. We've seen loads of people with the awning out, so when we came last week we put the awning up. It was fine. We just put it out to mainly give the fridge shade, and obviously Junior, he doesn't, at that age, don't want to sit in the sun. Anyway, so this morning we got up, we put the awning out. I'm inside getting ready, and as soon as we did, the police come and park up next to us. You're not allowed the awning out, right? Okay. I guessed it would happen, but my issue is, and I'm not being a Karen, further down, right down there's about 8-10 camper vans with their awning out, and the caravan has got a tent on it. I'm like, hold on a minute, we can't have. So we've put we've now decided we're going to put the awning back out. We've got a little light on it. We're putting it back out and we'll wait for the police to set up, because why can they have it down there but we can't have it up here?
Yeah, and what's even weirder is people were allowed to have a gazebo. Doesn't make sense, does it?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't make sense, does it? It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense.
You've been sat there worrying all day, laying on the ground, crying, melting, red raw.
And here I am.
And here he is, because he can't have his awning up.
We've got it up there, haven't we?
So we're going to try again. We're going to wait for the police to come.
Look at that. Looks beautiful, no?
And we're going to question why we can't have it up. Why wouldn't they want that up? It looks lovely. Look, it's like a little chiringuito.
Look.
It's a chiringuito. It's mojito. Chiringuito, mojito. Chiringuito, mojito. So we've got a little chiringuito. ¿Quieres un mojito?
Look at this look at that for an upgrade.
Oh, an upgrade.
10 quid from the Chino, got to
All
plug
I
it
wanted
in.
was an awning, I can't have it up.
We've got it up, Poppy.
That bottle of vodka's not ours. That's
It's Casey's. Look at that sky.
What a cup. Look at it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so this little upgrade, 10 quid.
It's going to cost us 100 when the police come and fine us.
That's true. Plugged into the Bluetti. You can't see it because it's too dark. Sorry, I took over the camera there. I got a little bit excited. That sky. God, what a beauty.
Wow. What a time, eh?
Yeah, so and we're allowed our chairs out. Didn't say nothing about that, did they? Right, I'm going to carry on cooking.
I allowed our chairs out. I mean,
Nothing
I was
about the
half
chairs.
asleep when he turned up. Darren said, please come in. I was like, hold on, let me come out, because that awning's attached to the camper van. You're not allowed that. Well, we did last week. You can have a gazebo though. Oh, I don't want the gazebo because the awning, I've been waiting for that for 3 years. Anyway, we'll wait and see. Watch this space. We'll wait and see if the police come back. Oh, I thought that was the police. It just went past then. We'll wait and see. And then I'm going to question it. I'm going to say to them, I don't want to be a Karen, because I'm not a Karen, but why are the 100 people down there allowed their awning out? They've had it out all day, but we're not. I even sound like a Karen. Adios.
Yeah, while we are dinner, 3 best things about Gran Alicante. Go.
No. Water,
Water.
fishes, and crabs, and the rock
And what do you think Oscar was like when he arrives?
the same as me.
Go that day.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world.
We're just going to walk 10 minutes from where we pitched up. Just going to check out the little beach bar, see what it's like, and if the prices are good, we're probably going to get some food. The plan is to get some ice cream, but I think Casey wants a bit of food. So give us a few minutes and we'll check back when we're in the bar. Yeah! No.
Yes.
Yeah. Morning, everyone. So we're going home again. second weekend here. Oh, we gotta go home. It's packed, and we're gonna end up getting locked in a minute. Last night we went down to, never ever been to any of the bars here. There's 2 on the beach, or maybe 3. We went to Rocky's bar. It's actually there's a dog beach down there, so there's a lot of dogs. But we had 6 sardines, some patata bravas, a couple of beers, and a little shot of licor de hierbas, which was really, really nice. It's not cheap, but I suppose you don't get cheap on the beach anyway. We walked down there for a few hours, came back, had a drink. I fell asleep on the deck chair nearly. Darren's woken up with a massive hangover. So I suppose we must get home, clean the camper van, and hopefully we'll be down again in the week, or that'll be it now until we pick up Oscar, and we're going to go to Tortuga Border for a week, which we're really excited about. And we've got another few trips planned as well. But yeah, we were just saying we don't know whether we'll come down in the week or not. We probably could squeeze a night or 2 in. It's lovely here. It's free. Although we had the issue with the awning. I mean, it is boiling, and it would have helped having it up. But apart from that, it's been lovely. So that's it. Till next time, kids. Adios.
Casey, what do you rate Gran Alicants?
Quick. 6.
Lads.
6 or 8.
It's an 8 because we didn't go fishing. Ah, we'll do that next time.
A little shout out actually to a couple of subscribers who like all of our posts. One of them is Alan Heath. Alan, appreciate it, mate. And another guy, Martin Taylor, who also likes all our posts. And he gave us a real useful tip actually the other day with the fridge. Look at it. Wow. Go on, mate. Fly. Go on. Fly away. Go on. Beauty.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.